Here at PS 330, we implement League of Young Inventors curriculum across all grades K to 5. We do 2 units per grade level because our teachers do have 2 periods of science a week. When we partnered with League of Young Inventors, we actually select 2 units that made the most sense using the HMH crosswalk document so that we could push alignment and support knowledge building simultaneously. We identify 1 League of Young Inventors unit in the fall and 1 in the spring. The lessons are concise, the PD is prepackaged, and it again allows teachers a cushion window within each semester, fall and spring, to implement the curriculum. The aspect that's made it most valuable to us is the fact that you have been responsive. You have definitely incorporated data literacy, which is a focus for us here at PS 330, especially because the science exam is so heavily concentrated in data literacy. One thing that our school has done, I think, a good job of is starting to think about strategies across content areas, from ELA to math to science. So embedding 3 reads in the League of Young Inventors is, again, another aspect of responsiveness that is supporting student learning. Just the concept of students getting acclimated to seeing a visual, to navigating a text, and then the concept of synthesizing that information is helping them just navigate the content in a smarter way. The other piece that I will say that teachers like is that the way you've packaged your curriculum, 50% of these units really support the engineering standards. It supports hands-on learning. The fact that there's a writing component to it, again, it's exposing kids to tier 3 vocabulary. And again, just trying to move kids into that hands-on piece, because the one thing that I'm even realizing is even when it comes to art, this idea of having kids moving away from just a paper medium or even just the screen, there's something to be said for that. When you see kids in the classroom engaging in League of Young Inventors units, you see kids working in groups, you see kids conversing, you see kids using some of the academic vocabulary, you see kids thinking critically about the problem that's in front of them. How to design a smarter roller coaster, or how to build. Right now, my 5th graders are navigating and thinking through the best way to design a paddle boat because it's got to make the distance. So being curious, and that's the part that I don't think you can, it's not naturally evident sometimes. So seeing kids' curiosity get the better of them with these types of units has been nice. If you think about what their workforce will look like, they'll have to think and design as well, because that's when learning sticks. I think when learning sticks when you're making as many connections as possible.